The typical week at school here is you're either in shop or you're in academics. If you're in shop, you're learning about your trade, you're learning everything that you need to know so you're prepared to go out in the field. And then on the other week, you're learning the academics, you're taking a math, a science, an English, or an elective. So you're getting a little bit of both at a technical high school.
The teachers of this school are going to give us the skills we need for the future.
As a teacher, I love seeing students go into vocational education because they really do have that leg up on other students from other traditional public high schools.
There's so many ways to get involved with the school because there's just an endless amount of options for different things you can do after school to become more engaged with your peers and other people in the community.
I became a mentor because I want to help incoming freshmen and get them in the sports and clubs.
The Cultures and Communities Club is for people to talk about their different cultures.
Students here can either go off to college, they can go work in the trade that they were studying, they can even learn something completely new.
I see for my future probably working as a freelance graphic designer and also being an online artist.
I'd rather be working and learning something I'm passionate about, and there's so many different paths I could go down.